Continuing coverage tonight as a Lackawanna County chiropractor is now speaking out following a years-long sexual assault charged against him, which was settled in his favor back in January. Our Jake Sarwar spoke with the doctor and his attorney this afternoon.
In 2018, Dr. John Stevens was accused by a woman who claimed the two had a non-consensual sexual encounter while Stevens was working as a chiropractor.
The night before Thanksgiving, and I got a phone call from my attorney who was away on vacation telling me they were going to charge me. I was speechless.
Stevens argued his innocence, citing text messages from his accuser leading up to a visit at his office. Stevens says he turned down a deal, stressing the interaction was consensual.
They offered me a plea bargain, and I walked away from potentially a 20-year prison sentence when they had pleaded down to a simple assault charge.
Criminal charges against Stevens dropped in 2019 after the credibility of his accuser was questioned. His legal team filed a civil lawsuit in 2020, citing a malicious prosecution against former District Attorney Mark Powell, Stevens' accuser, and detectives assigned to the case.
I wanted my day in court. I wanted to show to a jury how unethical and unscrupulous these people are.
Attorneys settled the civil lawsuit on January 28, 2025, granting Stevens a $1.1 million settlement. However, he feels the defendants got off easily.
I don't feel like any of them have met any type of true justice. I feel like they should have lost their professional licenses for as least as long I lost mine.
Since the settlement, Stevens says he hasn't heard from the DA's office.
No apology has been issued. No, wrongdoing on their part when clearly there was. It's sad.
Attorney Joseph Gazzardo says the last 5 years have been taxing, yet Stevens continued to fight.
I think it's a question of perseverance. If you're willing to fight long enough and you have the resources to fight long enough, then it's not a dead end.
I reached out to the DA's office for a statement, but have not yet heard back. Now, according to that court settlement, that $1.1 million will be paid out through insurance. In Clark Summit, I'm Jake Sarwar, Fox 56 News, First at 10.